Hey guys, welcome to the show. The literal show. Nope.
You don't have to do a cool stuff.
I'm just gonna follow your own.
Follow me.
Hey, what did you guys think of the show? Did he just give me the bird?
No, you should. I should. Hey, what's going on?
Are you guys gonna fight?
Oh, it's a good reunion.
You were gonna have to edit that out.
Okay. She hates it when I do that.
Yep. Oh my God, stick that thing.
The,
Oh my God. Okay, this guy in the room, you do that too.
you really know your TIG torches, don't you?
Try.
I'll take my picture.
I won't.
Look at this guy. What are you doing here?
Whoa! It's a fantastic show.
I bring it back up. Out.
World's easiest aluminum welding.
So good. I bet you want to try some, don't you?
What'd you guys think of the show?
That's badass.
Yeah?
Got a lot of cool vendors, a lot of information. We came from Airgas to come to you guys. So let that be known.
Thank you guys for coming.